Alright guys, so today we're working on this 2018 Toyota Tacoma. It's an SR5 Sport, and we're going to be replacing the front turn signals. It's a 7440, so it's a single filament, and we're going to be using our T-Series 7440s in pure amber, okay? So pretty much for this vehicle is very easy. We'll put this to the side for now. Your turn signal is literally right here behind this. There's a lot of space. I really like this. It's going to be the first gray plug right here. I'll take it out just like that, very easy. I recommend using some gloves or some microfiber cloths just to prevent it from getting dirty because the bulb is still good. Then just pop it off just like that, leave it there. You will put your bulb to the side and get your new ones, okay? And they're gonna be right there, your 7440s. We'll put this one right here for now. And one thing I want to let you guys know is that these are polarity sensitive, so if you don't plug it in the correct way, it won't light up. So if that happens to you, don't freak out. Simply just disconnect the bulb and flip it over and it'll work. So I'll show you right now. Let's see. We plug in. I actually have the lights flash, see if it works. There you go, I got it on the first try. So I did this by pressing the unlock button. So just to show you what I meant, if you plug it in wrong, like it won't light up. So you saw it flash just right now, okay? So I'm gonna press the unlock button one more time. Nothing happens, but everything else does light up. So simply disconnect, and what you're gonna do, just flip it over, reconnect it, and do it one more time. There you go, you know you got it working. So at this point, you just install it. And just like that, you completed the installation. You will be doing the same procedure on the passenger side. The passenger side is a little bit more tricky because you actually have your coolant tank over here. So, but you still got plenty of space to get your hand in here. As you can see, just go around it. And your plug is right here in the same location as the other headlight. We just pop it out. It's right there. Put this to the side for now. Same thing again. Use gloves or microfiber cloths to pop these out because they're still good. And just put that to the side. Get your new bulb. Connect it. Test it before you try putting it back in. Look, today's my lucky day. I got both of them in at the same time. So, simply just install. And just like that, you completed the installation. So now I'll turn them on just so you can see how they look when the car is on. Just like that, guys, we completed the installation. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.